The topic of today's video is how to fix the Metamask extension not working on Mrs. Browser. So unfortunately, we're going to have to uninstall and reinstall the extension. And if you don't know how, this is how you do it. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the puzzle icon at the bottom here. And in there, we want to click on extensions. And then here in the extensions, we want to just click on remove on Metamask. And then we're going to click on the three lines on the top left. And then we'll just want to click on Web Store, and here on the search bar on the top, just type in Metamask. And once you have it, click on that. And here on the right hand side, just say add to Chrome, click OK on the prompt, and that'll load up and install Metamask back onto your Mrs. Browser. And from there, everything should be working again. You're going to need your seed phrases, just put those back in, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.